The next stitch we're going to talk about is Alicia's lace. Again, yet another great background stitch to use. And you'll find that on these little wellies, it's the background stitch here. It creates a diamond pattern. In this case, we're going over 2 rows. You can, if you want to make it tighter, go over 1, but in this case, our Alicia's lace is going to go over 2 stitches. And this stitch, instead of running back and forth as we did with the lace stitch, we're going to run it diagonally. So I'm going to start here by going over 2, directly below it, over 2, continuing down the row, always, in this case, over 2. This is going to create the first part of our diamond pattern. So once we get this in place, we'll come back up. This is going to create the second part of our diamond pattern. So what we're doing is working our way back up. So it's really a 3-part stitch. The reason we work it this way is so that you don't see any of the threads on the back of the canvas, and that's really important. You want to have just a very light coverage. If you completed the diamond as you went, you would see a lot of thread on the back showing through, and we don't want that. Okay, so now we're going to finish the diamond. I'm going to work our way back down, just as we did in the first row. And you'll see, whoops-a-daisy, you'll see that we have created a diamond pattern, light coverage again. Again, a great stitch to use, tone on tone, where you're adding a bit of sparkle, and you allow the paint on the canvas to show through. And you'll just continue to work this pattern. Back up. Easy to compensate. Just a really simple stitch. Now, again, we're doing it over 2, which means that you want to have a bigger background area that you're working on. If your background area is smaller, then you can do it over 1 instead of over 2. Will give you slightly tighter coverage, but it works really well in small places. So a versatile stitch that you can use multiple ways. It works well on dresses as well, not just backgrounds, but it'll work on dresses, frills of skirts, anything like that, just where you want to have a light, lacy, hence the name, Alicia's lace, bit of coverage. And that's Alicia's lace. This whole line of canvases of our Needlepoint To Go series are designed to teach you new stitches, learn what you like, stitch how you wish, and just have fun.